Hello, welcome to the product demonstration of KTV's technology. This is an all-in-one integrated technology, completely chemical-free and very low pressure and energy saving. It takes in the industrial effluent and creates fresh water output. This is completely automatic, 24/7 integrated into the BMS, and you can see it is running power consumption about 1.2 kilowatts and producing pure water output on less than 150 microsiemens conductivity, which is very high quality fresh water. How it is being used? So these are the 4 cooling towers at the industrial complex, and the blow down water from these is the effluent which is going into the system, and this system is then producing fresh water from it, and the fresh water is then coming out through this pipe and going into the tank. This is the freshwater tank where they are storing all the fresh water. Depending on their requirement, they may also put the fresh water back into the cooling tower to make the cooling tower system a zero blow down system, or they can treat the effluent to make fresh water and put into the freshwater tank. Depending on their requirement, both the uses are possible. Usually in the daytime, when the heat load is very high, they put it into the cooling tower to make it zero blow down system, and in the night time when the heat load is low, then they put the water into the freshwater tank to recover water and use it for other industrial purposes. This is a 30 cubic meter per day of freshwater production system, and you can see for a 30 cubic meter per day system, the reject water flow is very less. It is just dribbling out, and this reject water is also sanitized, so it has gone through the UV treatment, etc. There is no bacteria, virus, etc. in this one, and it can be used for various non-potable applications like flushing or green wall or planting, etc. Over here it is going into the stormwater collection system, which is then used for plantation in the entire complex.